how to make arpeggios super easily. If your music sounds kinda empty, like there's nothing going on with it, it's probably because you didn't add any arpeggios. There's two ways to make it, the manual way and using the FL Studio feature. Manual method. All you need to do is copy the chords you already made. I recommend pasting them in the sampler like this one, or you can click plus button here and pick MIDI out. Whatever works for you. Just make sure it's empty, silent, VST. After that, go to the VST you want to play it and create short notes that follow the shapes of your chord. Play around with it however you like. As you can see, I'm doing it like this. Get as creative as you can and trust your instinct from time to time. Second method, we are gonna use FL Studio Arpeggiator feature. It's pretty straightforward. Just select all the chords you made it, then go to the tools and pick arpeggiate. You can also use this arpeggiator from the script tab, but I usually go with this option. Then pick whatever style you like. Flip, normal, and alternate. It's up to you. For the range, the higher it is, the higher the notes will be played. For the time, the left side is fast and the right side sounds a bit slower. For the sync, just choose block or chords and it will match your chord's tempo. Once you've got everything you wanted, hit accept. If it still sounds a little bit stiff, tweak it as you like. Pretty easy, right? If you enjoy tutorial like this, make sure to follow, guys.